It takes roughly 50.
Oh, I got a 6.
It takes roughly 50 plastic water bottles to create 1 square yard of premium carpet. Inside this high-tech
The first step is purification. The bottles are sent down a massive conveyor system to be sorted, washed, and stripped of labels and caps.
Advanced optical AI identifies and ejects colored plastics, ensuring the final yarn is perfectly pure and dyeable. Stripped down to 100% pure PET plastic, the bottles are ready for the shredder. These tiny pieces, known as PET flakes, undergo a final, intense thermal wash to ensure absolute chemical purity. Inside the extruder, intense heat melts the hard plastic flakes into a thick, glowing, honey-like liquid polymer. This is the magic moment. The liquid plastic is forced through a spinneret, a metal plate with microscopic holes, transforming it into thread. As the liquid plastic hits the cool air, it instantly solidifies into continuous, ultra-fine polyester filaments. To give the carpet its plush, bouncy feel, the perfectly straight plastic thread is crimped to add a wavy texture. The yarn is twisted together to form thick bundles, ready for the dye vats to bring it to life. The yarn is loaded into a massive tufting machine, which acts like a colossal sewing machine with thousands of needles. To lock the fibers in place permanently, the underside of the carpet is coated in a heavy-duty, eco-friendly latex adhesive. A final shear trims the surface to a velvet-smooth finish, ensuring luxury in every step. From millions of discarded bottles to acres of premium flooring, shipped out to homes and offices worldwide.
Ready? Lift on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Got it. Let's take it inside.
Stain-resistant, incredibly durable, luxuriously soft, and environmentally revolutionary.
Oh, I got a 6.
Wow.
Daddy, she's winning.
Looks like I need some luck on my turn.
EcoLoom. Walk on the future.